people, good morning. So welcome back to my channel, guys. So it's guys, it's sunny. So lumabas na yung araw, guys. And I'm going to today, guys, church into the town. So gonna leave my mister for a bit, for maybe a couple of hours, then I'll be back after. So I'll go with my friend anyway. But yeah. He's still sleeping though, and this is my looks today, guys. And as you can see, this is what I'm wearing, just striped, long sleeve and jeans and sandals, just usual. This is the usual clothes that I wear or attire, but I just don't feel like it wearing dress today. And yeah, this is it. And actually, I'm still sleepy, but what do you call it? I have to get up early because I said yes na I'm coming to them. So yeah, I'm coming with my friends. So I said yes. So I don't want to break promises unless if my emergency talaga or busy ka talaga. So yeah, yeah, this is it. And it's sunny and it's good weather today. Been a couple of days. It's been like rainy. Morning until nighttime, yeah, all day. So yeah, but I'm happy na may araw na tayo, guys. So dito ako sa labas, magpa-araw muna ako saglit kasi the air is good for guys, diba, skin. Pag morning, vitamin pa siya, diba? So ayan, yeah, so waiting ko na lang sila, guys. Yeah. Ako, guys, naka lipstick pero slight lang kasi mag-face mask ka naman. So even you go to church or you go to the supermarket, right? So yeah, alright, guys, I'll update you later. So ito, guys, is talbos ng kamote or sweet potato leaves. Binili namin sa aming friend na Filipina. Yan, ito yun, guys. Ayan, so ikakat ko na, guys, tapos i-freezer yung iba and iba lutuin. And ito is kangkong, guys. Ayan, kangkong to, nabili namin to. So may upo din pero di ko na ipapakita, guys. Ayan, ang ating gulay. So guys, ito na yung upo, guys. Di ko sana ipapakita, but ipapakita ko na lang. Maliit lang siya, guys, na upo compare nung last year. But yeah, this is it. So lutuin ko to this week, guys, kasi mas masarap kung fresh, diba? Ayan. Ayan, at least makakain ako ng Filipino food. Kahit nandito tayo sa labas, sa abroad, diba? Ayan, tapos kangkong. Siguro, yeah, ikakat ko din to. Ayan. So, hello, guys. I'm cooking the upo now, guys. Today, guys, kasi gusto ko fresh, guys. Tapos, magkanin din ako, guys. Ano lang to, guys, chicken lang ang ko nito, guys, na meat. Konting chicken, pero to, with onion, garlic, and spring onion na, guys. Ayan. Dito ako sa guys, sa shed namin nagluto. Ayan. So, guys, na-add ko na ang chicken strips, guys. Ayan, kung kita nyo. Ayan. Konti lang, guys. And then, I'm gonna add a 3/4 teaspoon garam masala and roast beef seasoning. Mix it together, guys. So, add ko lang lahat to para mag-iba ang lasa, para mas masarap. Ayan. Tapos, i-mix ko na yan, guys. And, mag-add lang ako ng guys, 1 cup nito na water. Kasi may naman dyan, yung natin, veggie. May tubig na yan, kaya konti lang ko, para may sabaw. And then, guys, lastly is, I will add the guys, pates or soy sauce, guys. Ayan, mga 2 tablespoon to, guys. Ayan, dyan lang natin ilagay. Tapos, nag-add na ako ng black pepper nito. Ayan. Ang hitsura, guys, ng ating upo, diba? Ayan. So, lastly, nilagay ko ng guys, basil. Ayan. So, ito na yung kangkong, guys. Ayan.